Hello and welcome to Pajama Science. Today we're going to be talking about bonding. And no, I don't mean bonding between you and your sister or your dog, even though that's very fun. I'm talking about atomic bonding. So I want you to do something very special for me today, and that is to use your imagination. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to use our imagination and we're going to go down to the atomic level. We're going to zoom in and we're going to pretend that these Legos are atoms. And so we're going to bond these atoms. Can you bond them for me, Merlin? And we have a bond. Now, it's bonded because we can move it around and we don't have to hold them together. Now, what happens when we break these bonds? It's amazing. So, what we want to do is we want to take a look at this on a larger scale. Do you think that would be fun?
Yeah.
Okay. So, there's a few things that we need in order to do this. The first thing is a notebook, because any good scientist keeps a notebook. Then we need a plate. We need soap, food coloring, Q-tips, and milk. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our notebook, and I'm not very good at writing, so I'm going to just draw it. And we're going to take milk, and a plate, and food coloring, and soap, and a Q-tip. And we're going to see what that makes together. So, have your parent pour the milk onto the plate.
What? Milk on the plate?
We're going to just fill it up so it just covers everything.
Okay. And now food coloring.
And now we're going to put a couple of drops of each one. Just a couple.
And then 2. I'll do that color. I'll do it.
And I will take this one.
And
That's
I
okay.
wash my hands.
We can wash them later.
Okay.
2 drops. One there, and one next to it. Okay, so now we have our Q-tips, and we have our milk with food coloring. And we're going to take these Q-tips, oh, hang on, and we're going to put soap on them. Whoa, soap everywhere. Okay, and we're going to put it in here. And look what happens. The colors go all over. They move. And you can swirl it around and make all sorts of patterns.
Oh my. We made a new color.
And when you're all done, we can sit and talk about why this happens. So milk is made up of mostly fats and proteins. Now fats are usually hydrophobic. Now hydrophobic means that they're afraid of water. And hydrophilic means that they love water. Now proteins are usually hydrophilic. So what happens is that soap works because it has hydrophobic and hydrophilic ends to it. So it comes in and breaks everything apart, and while it's breaking everything apart, those colors move around. And that's all I have for you today. So I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope I get to see you again soon.